plan summary. Get stunning one Kanal house plan. Modern double story with 5 beds and 6 baths. Architecture double story to accommodate the basic needs during construction. 2-story house with mumty on second floor for extra space. Total of spacious 5 bedrooms to install everyday furniture and move around, along with 6 baths for families' flexibility. Drawing rooms and 2 lounges on each floor providing a comfortable sitting area. The dining room and 2 kitchens to cook delicious meals. Separate servant quarter on the roof, along with laundry and storeroom. Exclusive features include a patio and front lawn.